Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, it is a makeup tutorial on this kind of neon look that I have here. So let's go ahead and start. I'm going to be taking these two palettes from Juvia's Place. Inside is gorgeous. But first, to prime my eyes, I'm just using a white pencil, and I'm going over my eyelid. I'm so out of breath. Oh my god. And then after that, I use a little bit of concealer and I blend that in. The reason why I use the white is because I just feel like it helps the colors pop out more, and you get the most pigment payoff. That's just how I feel. So now I'm using tape, and I honestly hate the feeling of tape on my skin, but it made it a lot easier. So as you saw, first I am using one of the lighter purple shades, and to be honest, when I first started this, when I was doing the other eye off camera, I thought that it was going to be a lot deeper. I don't know why. So that's why after this shade, I went in with a darker purple, and I'm just deepening. I can't even talk right now. Deepening the purple shade and just blending it out, obviously. And so then after that, I highlight my brow bone really quickly. You can't really tell on camera, but I promise you in person it looked bomb. And now I am cutting the crease with just some of my concealer. Yeah, not much to say about that. Just pretty much cutting the shape that I was aiming for. If you're doing anything like this, you can obviously cut out any type of shape that you want. That's just the shape that I chose at the time, I guess. I don't know what I was thinking. But yeah, there I am, cutting the crease. So for the teal shade, the base that I use is still wet. I didn't set anything. So I'm just packing it on top of that shade, or the shade of the concealer, the wet concealer. And I'm pretty much just trying to leave a bit of a gap in between the purple and teal shade, just as close as I can. If you mess up, you can always go back in and clean anything up. But as I feel like if you're using the right type of brush, you should be fine. But after that, I use a tiny little brush to deepen up the purple at the edge. And right now I am setting the little gap with a white shadow. Honestly, this white shadow it sucks. It's not very good, as you can see. It doesn't look very white. So after that, I go in with some white face paint. Actually, this is white face paint. And on a small little brush, I am kind of going in between that little gap that I created. I'll be the first one to say this came out super messy, but the cool thing is you can always just go back in with those two other shades and kind of clean up the edges. So as you can see here, that looks super messy, but in this clip, there I am just kind of like sharpening up the edge of the purple just a tiny bit because it was looking a little bit jagged, and then again back in with the purple shade. So now I am doing a winged eyeliner. I wasn't sure if I was going to do this at first, but I thought it needed something a little bit extra, so that's why I went in with a wing eyeliner, and I kind of wanted it to be a bit big of a wing eyeliner. So when I take off the tape, as you can see, it's a little bit short, so I go back in and I just make it a bit longer. After that, I'm applying some lashes, and I did also apply mascara as well off camera. And now moving on to the lower lash line. I didn't get a good clip of this, and I'm such a horrible YouTuber, but basically what I did was I just put the teal down first, and then I'm blending it out with the purple. Honestly, wasn't sure what I was going to do with my lower lash line. I thought about just leaving it top heavy, but I feel like the bottom needed something, so that's why I added the two colors, the lower lash line. After that, I am just taking some highlighting. I think this is I don't remember, but it's a highlight. Any kind of highlight would work, and I'm just placing that in the inner corner of my tear duct. And then I put on some NYX glitter primer, and I am sticking some iridescent glitter to the inner corner. This is totally optional though. I just got this little like nail art tool, and I am just stamping black liquid lipstick on my lash line. I don't know why. So now just taking a nude liquid lipstick, and I am rubbing that all over my lips. And then I got a lighter liquid lipstick, and I'm focusing it in the center of the lips just for a more pouty effect. You know what I'm saying? After that, since it was so matte, I wanted to add some gloss to the lips. So this not liquid lipstick, this gloss is from Wet n Wild. And that is it for the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.